Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today, I'm going to quickly show you guys how and if you can go live on TikTok. So initially, you have to have or have passed 1,000 followers on TikTok and kind of stabilized around 1,000 or more followers for, I guess, a few days or a few weeks. So you guys won't be able to see this icon if you don't have 1,000 followers or more. And there's two ways of going live on TikTok. The more difficult way is going to profile, and then on the top right corner, there are these three bars. You click on these three bars, click on creator tools, and now you'll see this icon that says go live on the right side, and then you can click go live. Or the easier way is on the bottom, that plus icon, click on it, and then hey guys, you can go to live on the bottom, and then now you can just click live, and then you guys will be able to go live. As you can see there's practice mode is available. You can click on practice mode and practice how to use the live features on TikTok. So thank you guys for watching and have a great day.